Hey, traders. Can y'all hear me? Let's get a sound check first. You know, make sure we're all on the same page. I know some of y'all might be high. Yeah, we were having some technical difficulties with the encoding and stuff I'd never dealt with before, but thanks for being here on 420. Are we okay, man? Okay. All right, let's go to the main screen. This is so we got Crypto Glasgow. We got my buddy Lance. We're up on Scala, mate. My first time out of the country. Oh no, first time in Europe ever, if you would call the UK Europe now because of Brexit. But yeah, we're just chilling over here, and maybe we're a little optimistic. Okay, we're a little optimistic, chat, on this 420, because well. What can somebody tell me out there? I've seemed to have a fogged memory on this cold evening. Could someone tell me what this kind of pattern this might be? It could potentially turn out to be, man. Anyone? I'll wait. We got some good answers coming in, man. We got some good answers, dude. And they're right. Most of them are right, dude. Yes, this would be a potential 3 rising valleys, right? The rule of 3. On the third low, we get resolution most of the time. And the resolution could be terrible. It could be awful. It could be tragic and devastating, and our lives are over forever. Just kidding. It's just Bitcoin. But if the third low resolution comes, where it could go very high. 51K would be the target if this played out. Easy. So could we get... My God, it's loud. Why are y'all not telling me it's loud, dude? Y'all trolling me? This is really tough. I have 2 monitors. It's just not enough monitors, man. Good God. Hold on. Once we get this going, we're going, dude, all right? How's it? Sound is good? Sounds okay? Brad says sounds okay. We're fine then. All right. So what are we doing, man? Well, we got a third valley going on. We got hidden bullish divergence, extremely well developed on the daily, where you made a low on price, your second low. Now you're making your third low, and you're pivoting, and you're making much higher levels of negative momentum, but now is waning substantially. And here's the thing, man. Where are we? I think you know it too well. I mean, I think you want to vomit because you know how well this level is. 40,665 to 42K. Here you are, man. I mean, again, third time now. Market participants have tried. The sellers have tried, and they're failing again. And once you get back above this level, it definitely seems very possible. 51K. I mean, it was very interesting to see that candle a few days ago. I was traveling. I believe I was traveling that day. Yes, and here we are. Just a little indecision candle with 24 minutes to go till your daily candle close. Happy 420, everyone. I hope you're having a good day, man. Have a good day. So here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. We got this thing going on, all right? We got this NFT that came out. Crypto Hoarders, the Jesus man. We have a random person, too. Thank y'all for supporting the channel by getting that NFT, man. Let me just, I got to pin it, and then we'll get this thing rolling. Let me just, give me a minute, man. Been a few days. Dusting off the cobwebs. The Scottish cobwebs, right? The spiders have interesting accents or something. Accentsies. What was I, dude? I think this is it, man. Let me get a link check. Make sure we're good. Let's get some Buellers in here. Oh my God. I just gotta pin this and then we're good, alright? Once I pin this, man. Choppy AF. Dang it, man. Yeah, that's the encoding thing, man. That is the encoding problem, chat. So the only way I could go live was this way. I could stop the stream. Brad, I'll let you decide, okay? You said it only lagged for a second. I gotta get Brad's feedback, man. He holds the master key to, like, you know, the plug pull, right? And the choppiness is coming from me alt tabbing and stuff. So when I'm not alt tabbing, it should be okay, right? Crypto Order says okay. It's fine. All right. So listen here. Look here. Listen. Wings Redemption's in the house. All right. So that's Bitcoin, man. That's the argument going on. That's kind of it. You go the 4 hour, but really the daily's telling the story. I mean, the 4 hour. What are you gonna do, man? Like the one thing, like when I wasn't here, but I was posting to patrons, is quadruple MACD bullish divergence began to play out, and it's really not taken off too much yet. But again, I think the daily is the one, right? Yeah, you have your channel here, and you're not at the bottom of it, you're not at the top of it. It's there, but that's kind of it on Bitcoin. That was the development that occurred while I was absent. The 4 hour divergence manifested into a very, very small rally, but the small rally seems way more significant on the daily based on the levels from history. That's it. Most of the charts I haven't really looked at Ethereum, man. I've been jet lagged. 30 hours yesterday, no sleep. This has been tough, and so getting this going, man, haven't been easy. It's been tough, dude. Trying to climb the Highlands in Scotland, dude. We did that earlier, and it was beautiful. I had this awakening. I think we all have. Oh, let's go, crypto hoarder. Let's go. Look at that. Cheers to you, my friend.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $615.08. What's up, brother? 0.200000000 ETH.
What's up, crypto hoarder, man? What's up, dude? A little bit of a lot of people, right? A lot of people are up right now. You know, metaphorically speaking, physiologically speaking, metaphorically speaking, I don't know. Every type of speaking, they're up. Maybe Bitcoin could join. Maybe Bitcoin could join the party, right? Look, if the TA is respected, I'm just telling you, if the TA is respected and the rule of three means something this time, up next, not down. I'm just, right? I mean, you've been here. Like, a lot of y'all been here a long time, dude. And look what Ethereum's doing. It is so powerful of an asset, it cannot fall below $2,900 to $3,000. That same respective area that Bitcoin has on its own chart, that it fell below again, but is getting back into it. This is such a superior asset technically, based on the US dollar pair and the Bitcoin pair. I mean, you broke a massive resistance, and you didn't win. Hey, chat, can you tell me on March 23rd when we broke this resistance, did we have confirmation that it was a very real breakout? A re-breakout? Emphasis on the re. Did we have confirmation on that breakout March 23rd? Just tell me, yes or no. I mean, it's real easy. You can, you have 50% chance. You can flip a coin, and you might be right. Just answering that question in chat, okay? I'm just going to wait. I'm on strike until I get answers.
They do stuff that makes the league look bad. Like, they'll play and they'll play like for it. Every time. They're like, oh, we'll get a crowd just like, like when all those are there, like they come over, they play. It's like,
I'm a little concerned at the answers here, okay, chat? A little concerned. No, the answer was no. A couple of y'all had it right. Career, Coffee, Egg a Leaf, man. Mr. Loaded Dad. Unemployed bag of house, got out, that's their dad.
Unemployed baker tipped $30. Grab yourself and the boys at Pint Mate. Good to see you over here in Blade. Stay off the special brew, you're not Glaswegian, and I don't know if Americans can handle it.
Yeah, maybe I'm not Glaswegian, but maybe from my bloodline's from Glasgow, man. Glasgow, right, man. Right? So, hey, he must be from Glasgow if he knows the word Glasgow. Thanks so much, dude. All right. Thank you, man, for 30. So, yes, you passed. It had not back-tested that support. It had not. It broke it, and now market participants are gaining some confirmation that was needed. And as you're confirming levels as support, what's happening on the oscillators? The same thing's happening on Bitcoin. Maturing, hidden bullish divergence. That is a really nice combination. One bottom, one low. Nah. Two bottoms, pretty good. Three bottoms, you kidding me?
Maturing on the daily plus hidden bull division symmetry on that IHS pattern for Daisy. Even a butterfly pattern on the 4HR. Cheers in Glasgow, ooh my man.
Cheers, mate, cheers. Thank you for the 2197 super chat, man. Thanks about it. I'm having issues. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta pop out the chat. Pop outs of the chat. Dude, it is not, I'm telling you, what I'm doing is just not easy doing on two screens. Dude, I popped out the chat and it doesn't even work, dude. Look at this. I'm popping y'all out. Y'all been popped out. Can y'all see that? Probably not. It's bad. Whatever. I have to pop y'all back in. Dude, that's not good. Now I can't even see chat. Bro. You're popped back in. All right. Anyway, so we're just going to do it like that, I guess. Honestly, indecision can't...
And Scottish accent. What's going on behind you there?
How you doing? What's going on behind you there? Just hanging out with my buddy Lance.
Connor McLeod of the Clan McLeod.
He's my bro from the States, man. We met at Bama, playing some foosball, and we're going to watch some European foosball, hopefully, in a few days, Liverpool, Everton. And I got Crypto Glasgow here, too. And we're at Crypto Glasgow's really BA pad. I mean, it's really cool. Contemporary art. It's got the vibes, man. And a good view, a good balcony right on the river. Hey, what's this river called? Clydes? The River Clydes. That's where around there, okay? So I can see it. I can almost smell it. All right, thank you. So that's the answer to your question. That's Ethereum, man. I think Ethereum, that's a pretty awesome potential argument. Of course, it may not hold. Of course, like the hidden bullish average could just fail. Yes. We never said things were certain, but we're just looking at the data that we know from history on many other assets many different times. When these data pieces present themselves, it's normally good, and a lot of times those assets rally and move up next, not down. So I'm just saying, right? That's all we try to do, man. We're not trying to predict the future, but these are pretty interesting developments. Okay, that's all I can say. All right, so that's Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, the ones I'm only been able to like sparsely look at. The internet's terrible for me, man. Even with like hotspots and stuff, it's been tough to like stay like tuned in with my ear to the ground of this market. But that's okay. Let's real quick shift gears to an asset that is unreal. And you're talking about TA being respected, man. I mean, you know this, dude. This is TA respect so hard. I want you to respect the TA as hard as you effing can. Well, here it is, Larry. Here it is. Bullish shark at an inflection point, a type 2 return, right? A confirmation low at that inflection point with classic bullish divergence. The TA was respected on the first run up. You hit a resistance. You sold off. You made about a 50% retrace. Really nice little high and tight consolidation. Hidden bullish divergence developed after that. And look how it's playing out, man. It's incredible. Highest price ZRX has seen since December 2nd. Highest high of the year. Happy 420 to ZRX. That's pretty crazy, man. I'd say that's pretty freaking crazy. So 122 would be your next target. I mean, look, why, man? What you just making up numbers, dude? Look at history. Look at the levels. Look at the lows. Look at the highs. Look at the highs. Look at the high. It's many times with very little history up here. That's many times, and so you get why that's resistance, right? Because the asset has pivoted as a support there. It's been a resistance. So why would it not do it again? It probably will here. But my God, how much more can you ask from ZRX today? 44%, dude, in like, I don't know, like 4 hours maybe? Yeah, you're going. This is a 4-hour candle. Yeah, you're about to say 4 hours. This asset is up 43%. That's crazy good. Okay, it doesn't get much better than that. But here's the thing, man. Like, this one was showing the same variables that many other assets across this market are showing, were showing, but this one's catching the bids. Not all S-coins are created equal, right? I mean, look, let me show you EOS. Very similar looking asset here. Look at the patterns, man. It's not quite the same. This is a different type of harmonic. This is an active trade setup. Okay, posted, I don't know, it's like 14, 15, 13, something like that. Patreon, y'all know the date. But look, it's the harmonic. It completed itself. There was divergence on the second low. It rallied. We know the massive inflection point, 223, 241. You sold off. You got back above it. As soon as you got back above it, it was like 231 entry. It's like, hey, it's doing it, man. The hidden bullish divergence was already developing on. It was time. You know what the target is? 388, 423. So literally from here, right now, it's up 4% on the day. From here, there's still, just for like the first targets, okay? This is pretty moderate, dude. You know what, man? Thanks for the 2634. Thanks so much, dude. What was that? Just a contribution, man. Thanks so much, dude. Excuse me, we don't accept cash over here. Sorry, dude, you're going to have to tip me in quid into pounds, man. That's what I've been told. I have this cash on me, and it's just like, no one wants it, dude. No one wants the DXY. I've been turned down, man. So look, dude, 41% upside to 54% upside, right? I mean, that's it. It's an inverse head and shoulders, dude. It's like the dreams. This is the dream, man. This is like you go to bed, and if you care about it, you dream about structural developments like this. This is everything. There is literally, I don't think anything else that you could ever ask for on an asset. Like with what's taught, the system that's taught here, right? Nothing. It doesn't get better than this, really. Not really. Doesn't mean it's gonna perform well, but this is how they all. I mean, the best ones start, man. When you get the edge, you know what I'm saying? So, wow. Okay. We got 11 minutes of daily candle close. If you're joining the live stream, like button below. So look, dude. The NFT. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool little NFT here. All right, Crypto Hoarder bought a couple, some random name, some numbers and letters. Also did that. Let's. I don't even know if I can screen share here, dude. It's a pretty ghetto setup, man. All right, let's see. Does this work? No, it doesn't even work, dude. Dang, man. Someone bought like 12 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago. So I guess more sold than, and I didn't get alerted. My phone was flipped up over, wasn't it?
I mean, and you know, depending on who you're playing, whatever. But you know, like Italy.
Oh yeah. Holy crap! Thank y'all. Let's see. I have to. I can't pull it up right now. Let me, because I think my encoding. I don't want to chop up the stream. Wait, here it is, man. It's like, okay, look how ghetto this is. I mean, for me to do that. It's an NFT, man. It's on the phone, dude. You could screen capture that and NFT it yourself, right? Oh, let's see here. How do I... Yeah, thank you so much, numbers and letters. Gail, thank you so much for... wow, you have tied Crypto Hoarder. No, you're still... Hey, Gail, you're still one behind on Crypto Hoarder. But thank you for buying 2 of those. Remember, There are 69 mints or editions of this, and it's 0.042 Ethereum each, right? So thank you, Double Down, for the purchase. Thank you, Crypto Hoarder, for buying. You purchased 3 of them, man. That's amazing. And everyone else is kind of anonymous with numbers and letters. They don't. Yeah, thank y'all all. That's crazy support, and I'm very, very grateful. Okay, that's amazing. Okay. So anyway, all right. So we're just looking at, like I was just making a point, right? ZRX is blowing up, but then you got EOS that's not identical. It's a little different. It's a different harmonic. This is like a butterfly. This is definitely a butterfly, and ZRX with a shark. Well, what's going on, dude? Yeah, the phone is third monitor exactly. So. It could just happen like one day. An asset like this just blows up, and it's like it's at 420, and it's up 50% in a day, like ZRX. You just don't know, man. But like we could go all, and here's another, like they're just not all created equal, man. They're just not all gonna catch the bids. But look at VeChain, all right? VeChain is just like, look what this is trade setup stuff. I get it, man. World's collapsing. We're screwed. It's over, dude. What's up, Fried Cash? Thanks for 420. Thanks for the contribution before that, man. Thank you, dude. Look, you've broken resistance, man. And did you back test the resist? Did you confirm there was actual support at the inflection point March 26th? No. You're successfully doing it as I'm speaking to you on 420. You see what the composite operator is doing. He's pulling a George Washington, right? He's attacking the Huns on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, early at 4 a.m. when they're all drunk and asleep. You're all high and asleep, and the composite man's confirming what was once a massive resistance, support is now support again, and there's hidden bullish divergence developed, okay? Don't get hunned. Don't let George Washington, the composite operator, destroy you, okay? But we are in Scotland, I understand. But you get what I'm saying, man? You understand history? It's Crypto Hoarder, man. Crypto Hoarder live the story. What's up, Crypto Hoarder, man? Over on A. Do not fall for the It's the Black Axe Mafia, dude. I'm telling you, I bet you it's them, dude. They own the world, man, of scams. Don't get wrecked, dude. Thank you. Am I saying to buy Vet? I'll never tell you to do anything XRP Haas, but I will tell you I know where the critical levels are based on historical price action and pivot points at those levels, right? I know what hidden bullish divergence is. I know what a higher low is. This is certainly a very actionable level for a long. It may fail. It could literally just fall below the support, Bitcoin dumps, and it's all over. Yes, that could happen. But you realize you could take on extremely minimal losses. Very minimal losses here if it failed. That's what trading is all about. The closer you can get to a master inflection point, I mean, it's pretty much a master inflection point, like, right? You cannot deny its existence if you look left. That's why I apply the grade sign. Make it really easy on the eyes for the viewer. You can see it with an edge, a higher low being confirmed. This is solid, man. And you know the upside. If one was to take a trade on VeChain, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm saying one could. From here, if this is a successful backtest and catches some follow through, the upside potential on this asset is 57 to 66% minimum. You ever break that, you go to 13 cents. That'd be the second target of a trade, right? One target, two targets, because reasons from history. Look left, man. It's great, right? I mean, it's pretty good. It's solid, but is it up 44%, 50% like ZRX? Nope, it's just not. But it very well could be, just like ZRX. It's the same thing, man. It's showing the same variables. It's just really strong right here. And dude, let me show you some patrons. You're gonna know what I'm talking about. Look at this thing on Hex. The Hex Moon Boys will be back if this plays out, dude. This is like, I don't even know what to tell you, man. It can't get better than this. It just doesn't, chat. You mean to tell me an asset fell below critical ice line and then rallied well and then sold off again and then back tested it with a higher low, a confirmation low that is higher than the previous low, signifying accumulation is now here, and there's hidden bullish divergence going on the oscillator? Dude, unreal. Lowest risk entry area you could ever get on an asset. These are the things you look for. It doesn't matter if you're looking crypto, if you're looking at commodities, if you're looking at stocks. It doesn't. Forex pairs. This is the same formula, man. It's universal. You find this anywhere. It's amazing. So, someone like, let all the Moon Boys, the Hexagon Moon Boys, and Richard Schuler know. We talked about this. The market participants must defend this level, otherwise there's 40+% downside. I mean, you're going to like 7 cents. You don't hold this. The good news is you're confirming that you've held this. This is confirming that it's holding. And there's now more market participants owning the asset than they did March 17th. Pretty good, man. What's up, Ravenblood? Thanks for 420, dude. Cheers.
He's the best American player I've seen.
So, we could just go on all day about this, like every day. I feel like losing my mind here because they just haven't blown up. Well, ZRX did, right? It blew up, dude.
10 years.
It blew up.
The US will be like the top, one of the top football teams in the world.
Yeah, man, these are the times, dude. Like I'm telling you, all the scrubs are sleeping. They don't care. They've given up on the market. And it's like, this is all happening. It's like, I can't believe that. I really just can't even believe how I can't believe how many people just don't care about these developments happening, man. So I guess we can go to BNB and look at it. I don't think it took on too much damage on the. I think it's pretty good. Let me find it. Down 1% today. Yeah, see, it's fine though. It's like unreal fine. Like, dude, I'm telling you, if the TA is respected here, you're about to break 430, 428, and you go to $500. Pick your ass. What's going on, Mom? I gotta sit up, I guess. Yeah, dude, it's the stage is kind of set. You're just sitting up there at testing a major inflection point. I'd like to see it above 430, but because it's not broken it yet. But dude, the variables are implying that it will break soon if the TA is respected, man. Yeah. Okay, sorry. That's it, man. There's nothing more to talk about. BNB, if TA is respected, you go up next, not down. Whatever. Good luck. BNB, and then XRP. Everyone loves when I say XRP. Where is it, dude? Where is it on my... There it is. It's down 3%. It's a blah. Look, dude, it's not dead. I know. It's like the composite man is out there and he's just laughing at you, dude. He's like, we're going to make them capitulate. We're going to make these guys sell just before crazy stuff happens. Because if, like, why would crazy stuff happen? It wouldn't be because XRP is worth 2 craps. Look, man, maybe it is. Maybe it's not, okay? But if Bitcoin respects that hidden bullish divergence on the daily, this thing going up next. It's not going down. Have you seen crypto, what it does, how homogenous it is? This thing goes up when Bitcoin goes up. And most of the time, though, it underperforms like a scrub. So there are other assets that do technically perform ridiculously better than this asset. But hey, maybe one day XRP will have its ZRX type of day. All right, it's holding support. 69.5 cents, still there. You did it, man. So it's almost like I didn't have to stream. If it was XRP live, if you're Alex Cobb, you don't have to stream, man. You can just wait, dude. Just wait for the pump, dude, because it's like molasses, man. It's a boomer coin now. All right, all boomers. Look, like, Facebook became Boomer Haven. Well, XRP became the Boomer Haven too. If you forgot, they're still in it. All right. XRP is at least worth 1 crap, maybe. Chad, do you think XRP is worth 1 crap? Yes, no, maybe so. Let's see what happens. So XRP was the next one. Be Sol. Sol looking pretty good. Sol's pretty solid. It's down 2.7%. I get it, man, but it's not bad, dude. That's not bad. That divergence right there, chat, is a very well developed, or it's developing very well. Not played out all the way, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, I don't have the Jesus chimes, dude. I don't have it here. Could somebody, give us Jesus chimes? That'd be great, because I don't have the soundboard or whatever. All right. Well, we did it, man. We made it. Unfortunately, it's now technically 4:21 in the crypto world. Party's over, dude. Not really, because it's certainly going on here still, and it's certainly going on in the U.S. So, dang, it is kind of choppy, isn't it, man? It is a little choppy, dude. Do we really need to go back to Bitcoin literally right now? Let's get to just the bigger ones. So what was Cardano? Cardano was like, it was holding on. It was fine, like a fruit fly is fine, right? Sometimes fruit flies are fine. Sometimes fruit flies don't get swatted and die instantly by burp. Is the fruit fly still barely hanging on, man? This is still fine like a fruit fly. All right, just fly. Oh god, look at that scam out. But traders never really settled up lower than that level, and still above it. And I mean, there is hidden bullish, dude. I think there are better assets out there. There just are, but it's very similar to a lot of others where what's the narrative here? Assets, back testing, and trying to hold on to critical supports and hidden bullish aversion of dailies above it. Say they over and over and over. Keep looking at these charts, saying they did. It's the same thing, dude. All right. Mars Martian, does he care? I mean, like, dude's real name. I mean, who cares? Like, that's not even being. I'm not being mean. That's just, he's got a real name, dude. People told me his name, so I just call him by the name his mama gave him or his ancestors gave him. I don't know. That's not weird, dude. My name's Mitch Ray, dude. What's up? He can call me Mitch Ray. You can call me by the name my founding fathers or ancestor gave me, dude. And they were over here. They were in Scotland at one point, weren't they? Goodness. Okay. So Cardano, I mean, dude, we could just, someone requested something, ORN, I don't know, yeah, we'll look at ORN, because that was a request. That's the only request of the day. Dude, I'm telling you, man, it's interesting. It's not perfect, it's not, like, amazing, but that rounding act, that Momo shift's happening, okay? That's happening. And you understand, wow, dude, he's doing an ORN analysis. Oh, is that Bitcoin? Is that XRP? Is that Dogecoin? Is that? Yeah, it is. It literally kind of is. Over and over and over again. They're just all the same thing. left shoulder, head, right shoulder, trying to develop. It's. I think you need a little bit more price tag. I think you need to see like 418 again to really feel good about maybe this is a right shoulder of that potential inverse head shoulders. You're not above support. You are below it. So I'll feel better when you start breaking 420. Yeah, I will feel better. But yeah, you're trying to do the same thing, man. You're trying to. If you want me to just show it, get your money's worth, right? I'll do it for you. Here you go. One. Here's the left shoulder. Here's the head. Here's the right shoulder. Trying to right shoulder. It may just fail, but it's trying to Momo ship. It's trying to complete a pattern. It's trying to, and the edge is trying to be there. Okay, so you'll get it. A dot on my face that keeps appearing? Oh, what is? Oh, that's my mouse. What is that? I don't know, dude. Why does it keep disappearing when my... What the... Get it off of me, man. What is that? There's something like on my webcam that keeps showing up. It's so weird. And like when I move, it goes away. I need another drink. Could I, yeah, is that it? Butler. Just kidding. This is my Scottish brother over here. All right, here I'm up. Y'all want to say hey? I mean, y'all can say hello if you want.
What's up?
You can introduce yourself. I mean, right? I mean, that's if you want to. You can just say like, these are my boys. These are the only people that advocate. Scott Carney and these guys. Crypto Glasgow. This is Don, and you've got Deck back here. He's just sitting down. It's on. Yeah, name change. All right. Well, I mean, because they want to cater to the world, not just Glasgow. So they don't just the Glasgows. They don't want to just the Glasgows. Glasgow or Glasgow? Glasgows. So they've been very kind. They've been showing us the world over here, and it is beautiful. Like Scotland's freaking crazy, man. I highly recommend. If you haven't been, you give it a shot. Okay, because like we have not been here very long, and we won't be here too long, but we had such a good time so far. Everyone's so nice. There hasn't been like anyone rude. People are very interested to know like where we're from, our accents, So, and people are very personable over here, so it's cool. But that was your ORN. You requested it, man, and it broke the supply line. You see it, man. Momo's trying to shift. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Donovan, thank you. Galish. What is Galish? Galash. Galish.
The old language.
The old language? Galish. Gallash. Okay, someone just said it in chat. Outlier.
Galish?
Look, Crypto Hoarder said he wants a castle. Oh, we saw a castle. You might be able to...
I can hook you up.
Yeah, there's probably plenty of castles out here, dude. So,
I don't know what Galish.
Galish? I don't know. That's not it. It's not Galish? Galish?
Galish is... No, it's not.
What is the old...
Galish is the old language.
I think that's probably what he meant, though.
Still speak it, like in the Highlands and stuff.
Okay, you'll hear that? There's
OG language.
They say it's Gaelic. Gaelic. It's Gaelish and Gaelic. They're saying. Hypto Croter is gonna learn Gaelish in his free time. Okay. Glaswegian? Yeah, Glaswegian is very difficult to understand. It's like English, but it's not. Hoarder owns Castle Rock. Yeah, I mean, there's rumors that happened, but I don't know. He'll have to come out publicly and let us know, because we don't know about. But be ready to sell Castle Rock. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Sweet. Okay, that's what we're in. It's similar boat. Okay, we move on. We just randomly pick coins now, man. How about Monero? It never stopped. It hit the second target of the trade setup. Freaking amazing. You want to talk about TA? You want to talk about what's taught here? Stuff to get excited about, man. That's it, dude. It's like, oh, it was EOS. It was Doge. It was XLM. It was all these other ones doing the same thing, but they're not all created equal. And this one just outperformed like crazy. Probably Russians buying, Chinese people buying, just getting freaked out about everything going on in the world. So they want privacy. Well, they got it, and they're not selling. So this thing's probably going to 283, 292. It's a very real inflection point from history, man. You got a big round of applause for Monero.
So it's like you never get a voting spectacle game. There's always like
Like their last league game went
Hoarder always pays his debts, man. Let's be real. He never has debts, dude, okay? He is the one that,
they're always doing something.
yeah, up to something.
I don't know, he's the one that is the debtor or something, right? He's the creditor.
Happy, positive.
Something like that. Okay, so we just did. You pick an S coin, and then it's like, Tesla, this is crap, man. But it's still hanging. It's like, I can't even believe this thing's still hanging on. Unreal after all this bull crap. Same thing. Slightly higher low, right? Infinitesimal higher low than the previous low in the divergence. And it's like you haven't seen positive momentum since April 5th, and it's the 20th, 21st now. Sitting sideways, Paul Wallen. He's the one that gives the people the debts, exactly. Reflection of the sunlight behind me? Dude, bud, bro. Let me just show you outside, which is right behind me. Let me just show you real quick. Does that look like it's sun shining outside right now? Come on, dude. Get it together. I'm not in the United States of America right now. Okay.
Leipzig was in contention to win the league last year, and in the middle of the season, sold their best player to Bayern.
It's technically not 1 a.m. either. What's up with those? Oh, God, it literally is 1 a.m. What happened? Where did the time go? How long have we been live? We've been live 42 minutes. Unbelievable, dude. It's just ridiculous. You go live, and it's just like TA time machine. Okay, let's look at storage, right? Storage, man, up 8.84% on the new day already. Wow. Hold on, just give old Bertha this laptop a second. What's going on? Computer didn't want to look at storage, I guess.
Glad you're enjoying UK. Any chance of picking up a stock request from a few days ago? WG. On London. Thanks, have fun.
You just not like crap load of assets out of the tip jar. Could you not do that, G-Dog? I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, man. Kind of rude. Don't tilt the tip jar, everyone. Thank you. Yeah, what was it? WG. Connect. Sure, we'll look at after random theta. Sorry.
It's just a riot. The entire match is always like it gets canceled when it plays, I think, and like
We'll see here.
just out of control.
It's the lamp to my right behind me. The dot disappeared though. It's gone now. No, it's there. It's there when I do this. But when I do this, it's gone. Okay, I'm just going to move over a little bit like that. And there will be no dot. Okay, so this is a higher low hidden bullshit. Wow, I can't even believe it, dude. Wow, this is the most insane event of my entire life. This is it. Yep. The same thing as everything else. Wow, crazy, dude. Okay, tier respect that it pivots and goes to $3.72, $4 minimum. If it's real life 1, 2, 3, could be much higher. Okay.
Do people know AVER GRT in Glasgow, or is it banned?
Do people know that? Oh my God, dude, hold on. Do people know about GRT in Glasgow, or is it banned? Oh, I thought you were asking if GRT was in a band in Glasgow. That's the way it sounded. I wish you would have asked that. Could somebody ask that question instead of Egg's question? Donald band? Don, is GRT banned in Glasgow? Yeah, the S coin. No, it's not banned. So we have confirmation that GRT is not banned. It's a meme. GRT is like a big meme. Like we make fun of it all the time just because. There's no real reason why. It was because it was so set up for higher prices and it just didn't perform well, and then that was it, and then like dumped. And it's just, all right. So we're gonna start an advocacy group to get GRT banned in Scotland. Is that what you want to happen, Egg? Please let us know.
We can change the rulings.
The what?
The rulings behind.
The rulings. We can change the rulings behind. Yeah, no problem. All right, it's considered done, chat. We're now starting a coalition the coalition.
And we drink during the game, and then there's a
Scotland Yard, man. Whatever. What did Napoleon Dynamite? Let me pull up. This is a great time to quote Napoleon Dynamite. Okay, everyone, you know what I'm about to say. I just give me a moment, okay?
honestly, like if I'm traveling, I'm out of town or something, I like the 6 a.m. game.
Bro.
Because I can get up, get it done.
What
and
the?
like holding everybody else up, you know, but when I'm at home,
Oh my god, my freaking microphone cord is like screwing around, dude, with my keyboard.
I want it to be later back home so we can all get together.
Yes, I would like that as long as they make cream their reserve currency.
You want cream to be the reserve currency? Get wrecked, dude. That ain't never gonna happen, man. You get out of here.
I'm just like new to the game. Like, I'm just like,
Hold on, I gotta say this, man, okay?
yeah, and we actually have a lot of like older Englishmen that come up there and watch games too, so they're all like super friendly.
Was it the Catch Sports Bar?
No, it's just that
That's local bar.
Why can't I just have my nice things, man?
English style pub, so like they do.
Everything's so slow, dude. This is like I went back in time, man. Okay. Last week, Japanese scientists placed explosive detonators at the bottom of Lake Loch Ness to blow Nessie out of the water. Sir Kurt Godfrey of the Nessie Alliance summoned the help of Scotland's local wizards.
We aren't paying you to stream TAUR.
Shut up!
We're supposed to be scouting for new worm farms with the rich Scotland soil for our global worm expansion. Cheers.
Yeah. And they have it imported over and they sell it up there. So, is it, like I said, we have a lot of British expats.
Look,
Like, people,
we've summoned the local wizards to cast a protective spell over the lake and its local residents, and all those who seek for the peaceful existence of our underwater ally. Thank you. Thank you. That was it. Okay. Was it really that difficult? Worm Grunters, thanks for the 7, dude, but inverse thanks for the interruption. Get wrecked, dude. All right. How often do I quote people? All right. General chat, wiling out. Okay. All right. Was there? Okay. So hey, high or low? 10 diversions. Okay. Let's see see you at 372. Tier respected. Tier respected. Get wrecked. Good 240. All right. WG. Okay. WG. The Wood Group. Are you talking about WG period? That's, you said London Stock Exchange. I know you're a Londoner.
it's a nice place. And I mean, yeah, it's not,
Bro, come on. This sucks, dude.
like, it's more of an upscale.
Lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, oh, it's an M shape, but it's not deep enough, man. It's not deep enough for my liking yet.
Especially like if it's on a Sunday, like,
You know, let's see here. Let's use flipping out low to high, 786. Yeah, it's a 786. You know, it could be better.
we get loud, but
I would think that
we'll get a buddy and like it's
this is an alternate bat pattern. So that means if it's an alternate bat pattern, then it needs to go. Do you know the pattern completion zone is not the 786? It is in fact the 886. Right? Why is this an alternate bat? Why is it the alternate bat? Because it's 38% retrace on B and a lower high on C. That's how you know it's an alternate bat pattern. And that's the pattern completion zone 132.20. Don't really like the way the MACD looks. Yes, there was a little bullish divergence there. But, dude, can you imagine selling up one more time and hitting 132?
Any good IPAs over there? What you drink?
Yeah. What IPAs was I drinking? Y'all remember?
they have like their chef's actually Irish.
Dude, yeah, I've had some good hazy IPAs. It's like the third largest brewery in Scotland or in Glasgow, maybe.
You had tenants?
I had Tenants, yeah, but that's like Budweiser, right? Anheuser, but like I had some good like craft beers too. I don't know, man, dude. I had them like they're on tap. I get them, and then like it's just wow. You drink and then you forget about them, and then charts enter your mind. You know what I'm saying? So I'll figure it out. I'll try to write it down, okay, on a notepad. You know, I always carry around a notepad with me. It's kind of my thing, dude. Yes, I'm going to England. Yes, I am. Third largest brewery on that street. Hazy IPA. That's what I had. I had a hazy IPA from like the third largest brewery, dude.
Yeah, like so football, like you don't.
That's we'll have to figure it out. I bet if you put the logo in front of me, I'd remember. I'm pretty good with logos and remembering things if I see them. Okay, that's it, dude. I wish there was more I could tell you about the Wood Group, dude. We'll be getting Wood Group at 132.90. All right. That was it. Was that even? Did anyone else even request anything? Get wrecked, everybody.
but it's not like uncontested.
Mm.
Like, you have to snap the ball, guy has to catch it, put it down, you kick it. But you gotta
What's up, Batson, dude? I'm sorry, I didn't say. Connor McLeod of the clan McLeod. Here we are, born to be kings.
Still like a football play.
Thank you, Batson, for the very eloquent words.
The only uncontested kick is like
Thank you, dude.
American football.
I don't know what that means.
Like if somebody scores and then you get
So, yeah, oh, it was a Bitcoin Cash, man. Yeah, it's the new Bitcoin. All right. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is kind of like amazing as F, and no one cares though. Like, no one cares that Bitcoin Cash actually technically looks unbelievable. I think still.
and they blow the whistle dead and they get the ball to predetermined place. But like say
Yeah, it's ridiculous, dude. It's stupid, man. It's
Before you leave,
stupidly
you need to
good.
make sure wearing Scottish national dress. It's a must.
basically there'll be
Before I leave, I need to take a picture wearing Scottish national dress. Oh, the kilt. I need to get a kilt. I need to get a souvenir kilt. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get a kilt, Vite. All right, I'll do it, and then we'll get a photo up. All right, no problem, man. But look here. I mean, this is just stupid. It was pretty good here. It was like,
Thanks
wow.
for visiting our side of the world, Mitch. Mind having a look at WRX? Thanks.
WRX sucks, dude. Stop knocking the stuff out of the jar, dude. Can you please stop? My God. That one wasn't too bad. You knocked them in the air, and you're lucky they didn't fall out. Jeez. All right. Yes, we'll look at it. We'll look at WRX. Just don't be so aggressive next time. Thank you. All right. So what's happening? Well, I mean, I think some of y'all would see what's kind of happening. These levels, dude. I'm not like magically just plotting these levels to make them look cool. These are just these trend lines. You know they're all there if you watch the stream every day. Okay, this is real life, Larry. Look here, listen. October 2017, September 2017. You kidding me? You just back tested that support. Did you do that? Did you successfully back test that level of support March 19th? No, you broke it, and you never had any confirmation it was a support. You done it now, man. And what do we know? 1, 2, 3 lows, man. Third low. Hidden bullish, of course. Yeah, man. So it's like, oh, it sure is setting up for our prices, but hey, man, it's nothing certain. We're not going to get cocky. We never get cocky, and we never say it's a certainty because it's not certain. This thing can roll, it can get wrecked, it can go to zero. But I'm just saying, there's an edge right now on a third higher low, and you know what that means, man. I mean, if you participated in these markets long enough, you know how good this stuff is. If you're a scrub and you're new, and I mean, you know, you can be new and still not be a scrub, or a scrub can just mean you're newer, whatever. I'm sorry, but like, if you've been in this community long enough and you've been watching this stuff and you see this stuff play out all the time, this is like the next move. Even if it fails now, the next move based on history is that. That's it. Whatever.
And you know, it's just like every couple of years they like try out some new rules, and like, well, in the NFL they'll try out like rules in like amateur leagues.
But good luck, Bitcoin. You know, I mean,
Preseason game, and
I feel like I'm going crazy, man. Still, just like looking at all this stuff, looking at these higher lows get put in at PCZs of harmonics, and just it's ridiculous, man. Was that last request? I think. Look, dude, look at this, dude. I'm about to lose my mind, man. I can't even tell you like how ridiculously good. Like this is Zoolander levels. This is blue steel. You've just been Mugatu'd, okay? This is it, dude. Really, really, really good looking asset. I mean, what a textbook, gorgeous, almost NFT worthy falling wedge itself. But now you're trying to tell me that you're shifting momentum.
yeah, it's always just like.
And there's hidden bullish divergence. You hadn't seen positive moment yet, and you already rallied. Dude, this is so good. I just don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to do anymore to get it across, right? Do I need to like do like clickbait? Do I need to like put my stupid face on the thumbnail and like scream and say, this could be coming on Bitcoin? Bleh. Vomit. Should I do that? Will I get more views, man? I'm just saying, dude, this is so good looking. Even if it fails, I'm sorry. Not sorry. Wow. So much has changed, man, since I last streamed, dude. Except a little bit better development, I guess, or something. how about Doge, man? What about Doge, dude? Dude, I've been waiting for years on it. It could be doing the same. It could be doing stuff, man. It literally could be doing things, man. What's going on? What just happened? Is that real? It's crypto, dude. Where is the? There it is. There's Coach Saban. Let's go. Get a brewski of the boys on you. All right. Is everyone getting the brews? Guys?
Crypto_hoarder tipped $153.74. Get a brewski with the boys. On me. Cheers to the whole crew. 0.05000000ETH.
So crypto hoarder, I don't know, man. I'm gonna get judged for this, but it was 420. And back in the day in college, I would listen to like Wiz Khalifa, the Cushion Orange Juice album. It was pretty good. It was okay, man. It wasn't too bad. And I was like, you know what? We're going to do, there's champagne here. Let's get some orange juice. And, you know, I'm just drinking champagne and orange juice. You know, it's like whatever. It's kind of meh. But I've been drinking beer, man, like a lot, you know. And I'm just like here. I mean, it's like I've drank zero whiskey, just only beers. So this is like just drinking. It's like celebratory because I think this is the time to celebrate, not when the assets have pumped ridiculously. The time to celebrate is when we know what looks like a massive, unbelievable reversal to the upside's coming, and it hasn't yet, but we're identifying it. This is the time to celebrate. I'm just saying.
Please, Sir Amelia got wrecked on bearish Gartley on Solana. What do? I use 10x. Please use crystal ball.
No, dude, you use the crystal ball, dude. You use the crystal ball. There ain't no crystal balls in this thing, man. You ain't none of that, man. Okay? Look. Look, Doge, hey, go bark, dude. Many head and shoulders. Many shoulders of heads. What else would stupid Doge say right now? Can y'all tell me what a stupid Dogecoin dog would say? Like, coming in from, like, Belgium or something? What is it? I'm a stupid Belgium dog accent. I don't know, right? It looks okay. I mean, hidden divergence is there, but I just feel like I'm beating a dead horse or a dead Doge right now. Okay, what was it? GRT? No, you did not ask for GRT. I know you didn't. Crypto order. Oh, no, Solana. Well, we looked at Solana already. Get wrecked, dude. But sorry you got wrecked. I mean, the Gartley is... It's not a Gartley, dude. It was a... seriously, crypto order, man. Thanks so much, man, for 1v3. I mean, it's really the 76882. 76882 on the day. Thanks so much. Okay. What do you want, dude? What do you want? It's like left shoulder, head, right shoulder-ish, and it's so strong that it's a higher load than the left shoulder. It's like, it's fine, dude. It's a cipher. It's a bullish cipher that is showing hidden bullish divergence on a substantially higher load than the previous lows, and even the particular low shoulder, so it's wow.
Please say a look at Solana. Mathemalia depends on my next play. Down so bad, don't know how I will feed the cow.
Can you stop messing with the jar, dude? Can you please stop knocking out these assets out of the jar? This kind of vexing, dude. Thank you. I have to keep asking. I'm gonna get on the intercom, tell the whole store what's going on. Thank you. Yeah, your Solana is fine. It's literally implying that if the TA is respected, you in chat, your familia gonna be okay. If the TA is respected, your familia will see 124.65 to 130. They will be able to eat. They will be able to eat, chat.
It's a little bit different from Celtic Rangers because it's not.
That's it, dude.
A lot of them were based in religion.
Something about cows. You said something about cows, man. I don't know. I had beans on toast this morning for breakfast for the first time ever. It was kind of weird. Also had a square sausage for the first time in my life this morning. That was also kind of weird.
Kind of on opposite sides of the state, but on the narrow part, you know.
And yeah, I will never eat a blood sausage. I learned what a blood sausage really was, and I almost threw up. I'm not even kidding. It's so gross.
My wife's house that she had, because I was still living like up North Alabama where we live now.
Character Talk, are you okay, man?
She had a house up there, like, I went
Crew Talk, let me know if you're okay, alright? WRX for Mr. Goombas, though. The Goomba
I meant
Trooper.
my wife. Thank you, sir.
Oh, just your wife, not your familia. Your wife will be able to eat. Okay? Your wife will be able to eat. And please stop knocking things out of the jar. Thank you. That's it, dude. Alright? You're in good shape. If the TA is respected, 124 to 130 next. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. That's very appropriate to say. Alright. Alright, WRX Connect. I don't know. It's on my watch list. It always kind of sucks. This looks weird. Does it look okay now? Not really. It's kind of, it's still crap, dude. Like, I look at this and I'm like, what? I look at this and I'm like, I'm moving on. I'm not looking at this anymore. I don't care. That's it. Like, that's WR. Like, yeah. Oh, man. Are you going to really get mad at me if it rallies because Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other coins that have exceptionally better looking charts rally too? It's just WRX, dude. It's just trash. It's just a Beanie Baby. If big Beanie Babies rally, the little Beanie Babies rally too. That's it. So, congrats. I don't see anything spectacular. I mean, yeah. Oh, maybe some bullish convergence. It's just not as good as others. So I would just say screw it, and I would rather long VeChain. I would rather long EOS. I would have rather longed XMR. I would have rather longed something where when we look at the chart, it's like, oh my god, I'm freaking out because it's so good looking, right? Like comp, COMP, Zoolander, blue steel levels, and then we look at WRX. This is like derelict. This is like Zoolander. He dressed up and he's in garbage cans and trash bags all over him. Okay. No thanks. But still, hey, it could rally too. I'm not saying it can't. I'm just saying if you're trying to apply that formula, the Heisenberg formula stuff, it's just not really that great. I mean, it doesn't mean it can't rally. Gosh, I'm just trying to get that point across because it's going to be like everything pumped and then like WRX pumped too. And it's like, dude, you were talking crap about WRX, man. Screw you, man. It's like, no, screw you, man. Okay? I'm clearing myself right here with video evidence. Anyway.
I was the little brother in like growing up.
No, blood oranges are fine. Blood sausage is disgusting. Oh god, black pudding, yeah, was offered to us for breakfast this morning. Big ol' no on that, because I was talking to a barkeep yesterday, and then a local. They were actually both Irish. It was really weird. We went to Ben Nevis bar, and Irish bartender and Irish guy just hanging out, and we got talking for a couple hours, man. And they were talking about black pudding, and it's like blood sausage, black pudding, vomit. Good lord. Storage? No, the computer didn't want to let us look at the storage, so we might have to leave it like that, right? Storage. It was the universe telling us to not look at storage, I think. So, you know what I'm saying? Okay, what was next? Crypto Hoarder, you know what I'm saying? What's going on over there? Crypto Talk. Thank you, man. Good luck with your wife. If the T is respected, you're going to keep your wife. You're not going to get some sort of bad falling out. She's not going to take the house and the kids. You're going to be fine. If the T is disrespected, yeah, you might be homeless and you might be single soon. That's it. Oh, no. If we look at Jasmine Coin, I'm quitting forever or something. So it's dealer's choice, right? Dude, you understand? I haven't done a traveling TA stream since I was in Miami for the meetup last summer. That's like not a year, but that's been a while, man. And this is the literal first international live stream I have ever done in my entire life, and I've streamed a lot, thousands of live streams. First one not in the U.S. mod. What's up, T-Boon Casey? Why is it not showing up? I don't understand. I'm just trying to wait for it. Well, it was starting to play out, and then gold crapped out, and it's like I didn't sleep for 30 hours and had no internet for years. So
Rangers on Europe.
Yeah.
Celtic are.
Oh, all my stuff like broke now. Where Stream Home's just not working anymore. What the?
Let them score first. So it's like, oh, we're going to win 1-0. It's Celtic £10. Like,
Yeah. The last old firm was really a game.
again,
Oh, a new set? Are you kidding me, dude?
Celtic, like, win that one
Yeah.
ahead of the one that matters.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
it's the same.
Yeah. Like, and it's so like
What the?
Alabama
Okay.
has the most national titles of any like college football program ever.
Okay, was
Did
it?
you already
There we
go
go.
over NGD stock?
There it is. It was busted, dude.
Did it already play out? Thanks and enjoyed the vacation.
No, it didn't play out. No.
This should just about cover a battered
Not yet.
Mars bar, a Scottish specialty.
We've won 6.
A battered Mars bar, Scottish special. Is that like where they deep fry the bar?
I mean, best coach that's ever lived.
What's up, Tito?
The best college football coach.
Hey, man. Unfortunately, I don't have it up because I'm like on my laptop. But it's like $20 request stuff. So, thank you, man. So look, dude. Here's your NGT. I don't know. It's just you can talk about stuck in a glass case of motion. This is a demand line, supply line, horizontal line from history that's unreal. If you ever broke 191, you might go absolutely berserk based on history. But the thing is, it's like you did that, but then your macro crapped out, which is gold. So it's like now failed, and it could be confirming a top here. I'm not really liking that failure, but until it makes a lower low than like 170, 168, it's okay. When you break 168, 170, you're breaking a demand line. You're making lower lows to previous lows, and you might be in a little bit more trouble. This could have been a failed breakout, and so we got to really, really temper our expectations, which are always none. But you understand, like, the new data presenting itself, that's a pretty ugly shooting star. That is an undeniable shooting star. It doesn't get prettier of a bearish reversal pattern than that. And I hate the fact that it was one high, and then it was the second high, the confirmation high. I don't like that failure there. Okay, I'm just starting to get a little jaded on this one. Doesn't mean it's dead yet. Just I'm telling you levels to pay attention to. And it's okay for now. It's fine like a fruit fly. It's fine, right? Okay. There's your NGD. Okay. Talking about Alabama football back there. It's awesome, dude. Was there another request met the minimum criteria? Yeah, I can't remember. Oh, no.
But yeah, he like poisoned them, and like they, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, it's a hoax, it's a hoax. Well, Auburn is like an agricultural school. Like they have all kinds of people who are like herbologists and arborists and things like that.
Dude, I'm starting to look into this thing.
They're gonna die. They're dying.
This looks like a Bitcoin real quick, you know. It's like,
Hey mate, hope you enjoy your
Is it Luke?
time over there. Can we look at Vite's? Cheers.
Vite. It sounds like Vegemite. Vegemite combined with itself. It's Vite. It's like the Aussies being all like, oh, we're not calling it Vegemite, no, mate. We're calling it Vite. Vite, and it's not decentralized, and that's going to okay, dude. Yeah, dude. Here's Bitcoin. We'll look at it. I mean, sure, dude. It's your request, man. We'll look at Vite Connect. So look here, man. This is Bitcoin. And this is just a little reiteration of the analysis that was provided about an hour ago. And it's not bad. It is your third higher low. You're cracking back above critical inflection points, and you're showing massive, undeniable, hidden bullish divergence. And here's another thing. I mean, just think about like some Fibonacci, man. You know, that's like 886 deep retrace. You know, I know it's not. We're not going with that wick. If it was 7.8. It was pretty shallow there. But I'm saying, like, from these lows that are very discernible on the daily, low to high, that's 886, 786, 886. So it's pretty deep. That's pretty nice reset there. So class accumulation going on, and then it's good. I'll be much better shape. I'll be in much greater spirits on Bitcoin Once we successfully break $42,000 again, then it's gonna be, oh my god, you're trying to tell me you're third low and you're back above the critical inflection point with the hidden over. That means like, oh, 51K. See a 51K eventually, and oh my god, right? Hey, you want a bullish indicator? Maybe look at my viewer count. That's, you know how it is, man. It's like, how many cycles, how many times has this happened, right? It's just, oh, it's all over, dude, and then all of a sudden, boom, huge moves after 3 months of nothing. It could be a huge move to the downside too, but it's implied, like the daily chart is implying the move is not going to be down next, it will be up next.
Because there's just such a massive game. Because, you know, they only play
To Ethereum,
like 12 games a year.
sorry, getting like tired.
Like we don't get
1, 2, 3 bottoms. Hidden divergence, add a nice line. This is way better than Bitcoin. Like, I love the way Ethereum looks way more. It's massively outperforming. Remember, from the same lows to highs, this lost 50% of its value, where I just showed you Bitcoin lost like 88% of its value. Massively outperforming. And it's above support resistance, whereas Bitcoin's kind of in support. It's like between the zone, you know, it's right at it. But good news is they're both implying upside next, not downside. That's it.
It's a short season. Like there'll be one game a week every Saturday. It's only 12. Some teams will play like on Thursdays and Fridays.
Hold on a second, I'm gonna get another drink. Be right back. Whatever, dude. All right, guys. I made a mistake. Yesterday, a couple days ago. I FOMO'd into orange juice futures. It was pumping so hard. All right, and then it dumped really hard. Y'all remember the commodities dumped, went out in the air, and now I'm stuck with just 20,000 of these orange juice things, man. It's over, dude. Don't FOMO, or you could be like me, stuck with all this orange juice, man. What am I gonna do with it? I gotta drink all of it, man.
But generally, there's 5
Look, man. Look. Commodities. We can look at them across the markets, dude. I don't know, man. We've been going. Vite. We're gonna look at Vite, Vegemite. Oh, did y'all see milk futures? Mooning milk futures, insane. Egg future, dude. Here we go. Vite. I don't think I've ever seen it in my life. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh my god, of course. Vite looks pretty good too. I've been here. Oh my. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Vite looks great, man. Look. Do I need to go in this again? Alright, do I really need to go in this again? You understand. Here's a left shoulder. You're like, dude, this guy's doing the same thing. Like, I can't help that these assets are all doing very similar but incredible things. It's not my fault. Don't get mad at me. And I'll tell you this. Excuse me. Look at Vite, man. You see this candle? That is a beautiful reversal right there. That's a nice looking reversal candle. 3 white soldiers. 3 white soldiers going on right now. I mean, it just started. You're up 3% on the new day. But, dude, that's pretty nice symmetry. The neckline's a little effed up. But, you know, sometimes it's going to be like that. You know, aggressive A buyers, like, use straight line like that. That's probably the neckline. And then there's hidden bullish divergence on the right shoulder. This is the Wombo combo. The Wombo combo. That's it. The hidden bullish divergence combination with the right shoulder. Nice little Japanese candlestick reversal. And where is this all happening? Can somebody tell me? Oh, wait, just kidding. You can see it on the screen. This asset, from its low from December 2020 to its all-time high, has lost what? Where is all this happening? This is the sweet spot. This is where all the dreams are made. When assets make full resets at 886s. You get me, man? I think you do. That's it, man. That's beautiful. Vite is like many other assets. Do you understand? Yeah, audio's okay? Are we okay? Shabby audio? Crypto Hoarder says audio is good, man. What you got to say, man? What you got to say? Don't. I mean, if Crypto Hoarder says okay, dude, it's real good, man. Dude, API 3 is available on Binance, man. What? Sure did, dude. Oh, you know what, dude? I'm just for a second. I'm gonna do this.
Sir, we aren't paying
Oh
you
my
stream TA.
God,
We're supposed to be
dude.
scouting for new
I don't
world
like
farms
that.
with the rich Scotland soil
Ew,
and global
I can't
world
do this. No, I have to go back, man. It's so lame. So like, it's like the same overlay, but for some reason it duplicates when I go to another scene. Oh, that's so dumb, dude. That's so, like, they gotta fix that,
Before
man.
you leave, you need to take a picture with the
Dude.
Scottish national address. It's a must.
I can't have fun. I can't switch scenes, chat. Otherwise, everything repeats itself. Like, oh, good job, Stream Elements. Wonderful job. Okay, so for that person, I believe it was Luke. Are you satisfied? You'd be like, dang, dude, that was not bad. You understand Target? I mean, Target's looking left. Oh, dude, there's not much up there, dude. Like, so what does that do? I guess we would just try to, use our imagination here, right? I mean, just measure, move. You could also be like, that's the neckline too. That makes sense. Okay. You could have an aggressive neckline like that, and target like this. Probably more equitable trades, and then you have the. That's it. 9.9 cents. Let's just say maybe 10 cents. We would say 9.9 cents because maybe they push it up there and then I'll get 10 cents. That's it, man. That's kind of how you could look at VITE. Buy some land so I can be a Scottish lord. That's a good idea. Maybe I should do that, man. There's some cheap land up there in the Highlands, man. I hear you can get like bonus sheep. Or they throw it in, a couple of sheep. It's nice. We saw them. They looked at us and they were pissed. They started running a little baby sheep. Cursed out a couple of us. It was pretty dramatic. Anyway, dude, I mean, like, it's like, hey man, could you look at another asset that's like looking maybe okay? I mean, sure. Let me just like close my eyes and look. Oh yeah, XLM. Here you go. I just literally blindfolded, clicked on an asset, and it looks good. I mean, y'all understand? Like, we're noticing like a little trend here that all these things are looking alright, man. Hidden below divergence in the higher, like, get wrecked in a positive way, like a really positive way. Okay.
Get them off the field, protect their safety from fans or whatever. They should have to go to a room and explain it.
Dude, I'll tell you this about Scotland. The prices on food are in beer and alcohol. It's so extremely reasonable. It is nothing like the U.S. It's just not, and it's unreal. I feel like a king. Like, I ate like a king, and it's like, that'll be 14 pounds. What? 14 pounds? Are you kidding me, dude? That's like I can barely even move. And it was like high quality, good food, protein, and all that. I'm telling you, man, Scotland's lit. Really lit. Does anyone understand? Hey, can anyone? Let's make sure the stream's live. Can people spam what asset I'm looking at? Because I just don't even know. Like, it's like just if we're even on the same page, man. All right, just don't even know. Yes, we're looking at Jasmine. Yep, this is Jasmine channel. All in, man. If you're actually blind watching the stream, I'm just kidding. We're not looking at Jasmine. We're looking at XLN. And XLN looked good, man. The stage is set. I mean, higher. It's above inflection points. It's making a case for accumulation locally, and that was never the case. That was not the case in March when it bottomed out at the ice line with bullish evidence. It made it technically a lower low, same low, lower low. Now it's like trying to say, hey, we're making a higher low locally, accumulation, and after accumulation, that's when massive markups can happen. Other things can happen too. Like, I would think this is probably setting up, but you could do this. You rally, you solve one more time. What happens? Never Head and Shoulders turns into a 3 rising valleys classic accumulation structure, and then we moon after that. You know what's funny? I think XLM has done that before. Gotta go back. Oh yeah, dude, come on, right? It was a harmonic, man. It was a harmonic, and it was 3 rising valleys, and then it back tested a sprig as a board, and then we moaned. Just doesn't get better than that, man. Why don't I like Jasmine? It's not about me not liking Jasmine as much as people obsessing about things that are just stupid, okay? And it's just kind of like, why are you obsessing about Jasmine, man? It's just an S coin. It's a Beanie Baby. It was dumping like hard. It was like, but my Jasmine. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Who cares? Wow, did Zcash up 6% almost on the day? What's going on? It's pumping, man. Yeah, dude, this one's another level. It's not even, it's so strong, it's not even able to do anything that the other assets are doing because it's such an outperformer. But it's like one thing it's doing like others is hidden bullish divergence, of course. So typical, an outperforming. And once you get back above 169, 176, dude, bye. 228, 300, 375. Can't be that surprised, man. You got some movement on the new day. God, Monera's up almost 3%. Monero just hit fresh highs. Highest price, dude. Highest price of 2022 just seconds ago, chat. Highest price since November 14th, which was the top on Bitcoin. Bitcoin topped out, and here you are on Monero. Just think about that, right? Oh, Bitcoin's at 69K. Monero at the same time was like 280. Well, guess what? Look where Monero is, 273. Bitcoin's still at 41.5. What an outperformer since the top for Bitcoin on this one. It's crazy. Freaking Russians, man. They need their privacy. Yeah, dude, I haven't really. I kind of got out of the sync with the. Look at the SPX. Yeah, look at it real quick. It looks okay. I mean, it's making a higher low. Hidden bullish divergence is developing. Morning Star on the 18th. It's not over. It's not. Is it making a lower low yet? Nope. Has it rolled over? Nope. You get that rap song. It's like, nope. Yup. Nope. Y'all know that song I'm talking about? Some of y'all do. It's okay. It's trying to pivot. It's trying to pivot on a higher low. And if the T is respected, it goes to 45, 34, 45, 44 next, right? The low, then the higher low. There's just S&P. That's all we need to know, man, right? Let's look at Netflix that literally lost its soul. Good. At one point today, it was down over 40%. But yeah, it caught some bids at the end of the day and rallied to close at 226.19. But bad earnings, first time ever they have reported not growing in users, man. Mute? What are you talking about? Eggly View trolling, dude? Seriously? Oh man, I'm stretching, dude. Go look, go broke. Yeah, Elon Musk, man, said something about that. But it really was, again, their user growth and stuff that killed them. You trying to tell me Netflix is a Ponzi? Got a huge haircut. Let's see. It hit the lowest price it had seen since January of 2018. Multi-year lows today on Netflix. Devastated, obliterated, dilapidated, capitulated, eviscerated. Something else. Other words too. Yeah. Oh, hey, but hey, chat. Remember, by the way, we can't like, Australia today finally, gets on board with a Bitcoin spot price ETF, and that, but my safety for my investors. Oh my God, look, you only lost 70% of your value in 145 days on Netflix, but no, we can't have a Bitcoin spot ETF because we must protect our investors. Get wrecked, dude. What a joke, man. Yeah, Netflix showing Jasmine how it's done. Certainly did. They can't make Ozark fast enough. I know, man. They got to get it together. I think it's going pretty well. Hey, I don't know. We could have chat. It was asked in the room, was the stream going well? I think it's okay. I mean, it's meh. It's not like we're partying or anything. This is literally the time to like actually be like,
Happy
the way that things
420.
look. This is when you should party. You shouldn't be partying when the things are mooning, because it's like, yeah, dude, TA is being respected. Wow, okay. But now it's like, oh my God, a reversal looks like it could be nigh. It could be near. So, whatever. It's just the world. People just don't act like that. I don't know. So, almost bedtime in Alabama. Is it really? What time is it?
Almost 8 back home.
Almost 8 in Bama and 9 and on the East Coast. Dang, dude. And there's 2. How's it 2 a.m. here? This is so weird. This is so weird. I'm drinking at 2 a.m. I never drink at 2 a.m., dude. Wow. Yeah, 2 a.m. sleep. Yep, exactly. I'm telling you, man, Hex bottom. This is what assets look like when they bottom out, chat. Okay. Across the markets from across the pond. Ooh, I like that. Nice. Put that in Chalen's good idea folder. What's in the chat? Request an S-Coin, dude. Yeah, sure, dude. Whatever. Did I buy Ape? No, I didn't buy Ape. Did you buy Ape, dude? Don't those things go for like $1 million or something stupid? They did, and then it collapsed, of course. Like, who didn't see that coming, man? A picture of a freaking monkey and a crude picture of a monkey that's ugly collapsed. Wow. I can't believe it did. Or maybe it didn't collapse. I don't even know. Oh, ApeCoin, not the NFT? No, I didn't buy ApeCoin, the NFT coin. Yeah, they coined it. Wow, they coined the scam. I'm so surprised. I can't wait to see how this ends up, okay? Give me like 6 months, all right? Oh, boy. Anyway, so TA is the argument here, not the project has restaurants behind it. That's not how it works here. But 99% of other crypto channels, that is exactly how it works. So you can talk about those restaurants and...
You need to do a Patreon stream tomorrow at the usual time, then get up at a reasonable time. You will know how us Brits feel on a Friday morning.
I don't even know. Like, I'm thinking about time.
Yo, Mitch, can we look at Ext, Scotland?
XED. I've never think I've seen that in my life, dude. I don't think I've ever seen that. Let's see. Thanks so much for the 20, Dad. All right. Look, we're XE Extreme or XDeem. This which one?
Yeah.
This on KuCoin?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, this is it, right? This is all the data. Is there any chart with other data, more data?
It should be. It's
XCD. There's CoinX and there's Gate.io. Here's a little bit more data. It's kind of interesting on the Coin. Let me go to one more. There's Gate.io, one more. Oh, there's all the data. And dang, man, this is basement levels. I mean, you can't get much worse than this. Dude, yeah, that's serious. Like, look, it's like, okay, you have the bottom, and then you have one bottom, and then you have two bottoms, and on the second low, slightly lower low, what's happening? Can you tell me what's happening? Do you know what that is? That is what word? the D word? Divergence. Yes. All right, on the RSI, somewhat. It's not the strongest, but you can't argue. I mean, this is as low as low of a risk area as you can get, right? Where would you think you would apply a stop loss if you did want to long this? Now it did moon yesterday. That sucks. But you should have requested this like 2 days ago, April 19th or the 18th, because I would have done the same thing. And look at that. That is a bullish pin bar, Japanese candlestick reversal. And I'll just show you. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. All right. You see that pattern, right? You see that? And then all I have to do is go to Google and I say bullish pin bar. And watch what happens. Bullish pin bar. That is a textbook bullish pin bar. Do you see it? I mean, that's a Japanese candlestick reversal. Pretty beautiful. And look at that massive rally. 1 low, 2 lows diverging. And that's pretty solid. You know, the entry would have been somewhere around here, but and the stop loss would have been like below that low from June. And the upside's pretty. I think the target, if this is going to continue to rally, will be right here. Right? 1, 2, 3. Like all resistance, support, resistance, support. That's it.
Thank you.
So, you know, that's like from here, you know, even here, like the upside could be like 74%. If it just runs up and does exactly what it's always done, right? Straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. And it didn't always do it, right? But then when it rallied back, test the resistance as resistance again to confirm, right? Confirm resistance is there, it dumps straight down. So if you confirm the bottom here, it's really not, it's like literally would be normal if it rallied and did straight up again. It just does exactly what it's done in history and goes to 37.7 cents, right? Is that crazy? That's not crazy. That's still, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'll see what happens. I don't know. That's your XED, your S coin, bro. How do you say it? Exceed me?
Exceed me.
Why is it called Exceed me?
It's just like a gaming token.
A gaming token? All right, well, token me. Great project. All right, chat. You heard it first.
No financial advice.
No, not financial advice. Well, I hate that it already pumped, man. It was up like a lot yesterday. Ooh, a boat on the river? Oh, did it already pass? What the? What just fell?
I was gonna say, like, I saw like 0 boat traffic. I just heard like something.
Oh, a clip? Oh, okay, we're good. OPC, what's up, Matthew Ray W? OPCT. Yeah, we'll look at it, man. OPCT Connect. Opacity Binaire. I mean, you know, it's making higher. Look, you made a low. You've now made a higher low. You've rallied. You're making a higher low. And on that higher low, you're back testing resistance as support. And you bounce off of that. And now you're just hanging out. It's kind of showing a little bit of bearish divergence. That's crazy. Nothing's showing bearish divergence. But OBCT is trying to. I don't know. It's kind of okay. Momo shifting. Harmonics, right? I think if Bitcoin respects the TA and rallies, OPCT very well could rally too, man. Okay, that's kind of it. I wish it was crazier than that, right? Dude, what happened? Did anyone even buy the NFT on live on the stream? Was that it, dude? I guess NFTs died, didn't they? Like they died again? Yeah, NFTs died again, dude. Yeah, I don't know. Some are good, some are not so good. They boom, they bust, whatever. Don't forget to grab Scott Carney a bottle of scotch. You mean Scotch Carney? Ed, you should have called him Scotch Carney. Been funnier, man. All right, well, I mean, I'm trying to keep it going. I'm doing all I can, man. I can only live stream for so long when it's just pure TA. The hype has to be there, right? There has to be hype, man, in the chat. That's the only thing that keeps. It's like a freaking like lifeline, man. It's like. I'm getting winded, man. You get winded as a streamer when you stream for so long and only things go down. Only viewership, only things go down, dude. Number go down. Number go down. Number only go down. But crypto looks awesome. Like setting up for exceptionally higher prices. That's all I can only do. All I can do is scream at the top of my lungs that could be coming. That's all I can do, dude. And just scream it, and it's like less and less people want to listen. They'll show up when it's like $4,400, because that's the target on like Ethereum. It's like, I mean, first stop 3,700 at this holds, but like 4,200, man. Spaceship Stream and all that stuff, dude.
My wife just sits on the dock and put a Bluetooth speaker up there. And I stand
Yep.
there and I drink beers, throw my cancer, stuff we're doing. Like we just chat shit, and just fucking drink all day. Like, it's so much fun. But it's the same thing when we go to the ocean. Like, there's our ocean.
I mean, just look at it, dude. That's it.
Just literally chest deep in water all day for 12 hours.
That's it. Well, I think I'm hearing things, man. Yeah, I'm like hallucinating. Maybe I didn't get enough sleep or something. Yeah. I doubt they will even know full gore. They'll be like, they'll show up after Bitcoin's at 51K and be like, dude, this is all hindsight, man. You were just like hindsighting this, man. Like, oh my God, are you kidding me, man? Hey, Captain Hindsight, thanks for the NFT purchase, dude. Jesus Jones. Oh, there you go, dude. I had to improv the Jesus chimes. Thank you, dude. That was the 8th NFT purchase. Thank you, man. Is my place haunted? This is not my place, but it could be haunted. Yeah, we're not gonna like. Definitely not going to count that out. Francisco, that looks like a Hex enthusiast, right? It looks like little Hex peoples in the chat box. Y'all see that? Voice of an angel. Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't think I've ever done. Maybe I've done it one time. I think it was because of you, dude. Bear flag on the daily? Nah, dude. I mean, you could say bear flag. I say full reset and uptrend, and now classic accumulation structure. That's what I say. You can say bear flag. I say hidden bullish divergence on the daily, and you're back. You're like holding in a zone of support. Ethereum's holding support already successfully, and it's showing. Implying continuation upward, not downward. Right? If there was like hidden bearish divergence, something going on, or classic bearish, maybe, yeah, but like, dude, you are in a long-term uptrend, and you just lost 88% of your value, and at the 886, you're now showing a bullish consolidation pattern. Flip this chart over, man. This is like long-term downtrend, full reset in the downtrend. You're just making lower highs, eventually resolution. Resolution comes after that third peak, that third valley. Here you are. Just, if I looked at this, I would not really be that excited. I'm just telling you if it looked like that, but whatever. But yeah, sure, dude. You can call it bear flag all you want, man. That's just your opinion, man. And look, this is just my opinion, man. This isn't like financial advice, man. Like, it's never been financial advice. I'm just a guy that likes charts. I like reading charts. I like studying charts, and that's literally it. That's it, dude. It's not like crazy, right? Yeah, thanks again, everyone. The 420, man. You made the 420 a little bit better, man. Y'all did. Yeah. Upward capitulation. I like it. Yeah, I like it, man. That's it, man. All right. So the streams will extend longer when the hype gets higher. 420 stream, I don't figure it'd be getting freaking out, man. Okay. So unfortunately, I don't really have like an ending scene or whatever. So like, I guess I just like have to end it and it just stops. Luke, you have a request? All right, we'll wait for the request, man. Do your worst, man. This is child's play, man. I can throw all your requests at me, dude. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting, man. I'll wait. Warren Buffett. The market is, you know, a way for those who smoke joints. Wait, what? I don't know, man. Warren Buffett said something like, the market is a means to take joints from the impatient and put the joints into the hands of the patient or something, dude. We got 420 likes. Wow, thank you. I remember my first live stream ever. Thank you, dude. Ronald, so yeah, I'm encoding on my, like, not my GPU. I don't think it's terrible. I had to do it. It was the only way I could stream. It wouldn't let me stream. I was late. Dude, some guy like came in like after I was having problems. He came in into my comments on a previous stream, and he said, "Never say you stream every effing day. Never again say you stream every effing day." People have withdrawals, right?
One dent, please.
What's up, dude? Yeah, look at Dent. Sure, Dentacoin. Let me see if I have it on my other watch list one. No, that's DNT. I don't think I have Dentacoin on my. What's up with all these? Why does it do that? Look at that. It's like a bunch of Irwin Coffee logos, man.
Dugst 0.00050000 BTC.
What's up, Luke, dude? Thanks so much for the $20. Oh, yeah. Trying to give me a couple requests and keep the stream going, huh? Crypto Hoarder, you seeing this, man? They're doing like Goku. They're like spirit bombing. They're like summoning the spirit bomb. What chart am I looking at? Dent to US dollar. There it is. I don't know, man. Oh my God, Momo shift! I can't believe it, dude. I have data, of course, right? I mean, it's like getting rare where you like look at this, dude. This is insane. It's like a bullish at 886 beyond. It's like a 95%. It's a full reset, man. It's momentum shifting. It's literally like everything else. It's lower. Like you could take. This is an actionable long on a trade. This is definitely like multiple other assets, especially ones we've already looked at today. Do I really need to do it, man? You broke the supply line. You're making a higher low. The higher low just happens to be above a critical inflection point. And this edge, implying continuation upward. Okay. This is it, man. But I owe them my labor. Dude, I mean, like, I figured I put in a lot of labor, you know, streaming every day the whole year, man. I don't know. I guess that's not good enough, dude. Get out of here, man. No one does it. No one does what I do. Like, no one. Okay? I don't even want to hear it. People crying in the comments about, not the live chat, but like the YouTube comments about that stuff. It's ridiculous. This right here looks stupid. This like good. This is like solid. You know, it's on sale, dude. It's only 2.8 tenths of 1 cent, man. Give them an inch, they take your soul. That's about it, man, right? That's it, man. That's the life. Can we get some people agreeing here? Also, sorry, I was a little off, right? Dude, look at that. You see that low? This is like an entry for a trade. This is a trade setup, okay? I'm just saying, all right? Let me just... Should I just do it live on... I should just, you know, give up and just do these things live now. I mean, whatever. Look, entry now. Not telling you to enter. I'm saying this is how one could size up this asset with a very tight stop with minimal losses if it fails. That's all it's about. Risk management, minimal losses if the trade goes south. What will the next target be? I'm gonna go with that candle high close right there on the 4 hour. That's it, man. Like it's like you get the pretty, you know, it's like SNX. I was like, yeah, it hits that and it pulls back and eventually rallies and breaks that resistance and goes. That's it. That's 1 and 2. It's so easy, man. If you wanted a third target, this is the bullcrap Rudy poo. if we're hitting the third target, all these freaking scrubs are coming out of the woodwork acting like, oh, I was here the whole time, dude. It's like, no, you weren't, dude. I know you weren't. Just get the F out of here. When this asset's at 1.1 cents, those people show up. It's like, get the F out of here. Okay, that's legit a very, like, pretty tight stop, but you understand why, right? There's an argument to why the stop loss is so tight. Hidden divergence right there. It's implying next move up, not down. I mean, I could paint the M for you and like, oh man, it's a harmonic. I don't need to. Like, I don't even need this. It's too deep on B anyway, but it's an informal M shape, right? It's the XABCD wave structure. That's like, I could have them like that, man. You get it? So I'll make it yellow because it's whatever. It's not a formal harmonic. So there you go. So we publish this and we send it off. Sure, I don't need a video to. Dude, what is it doing? What is this? Get out of here. Just let me publish the idea. Oh, it was like trying to get me to do something stupid. What the? There it is. It's like not a harmonic, but it is at the same time, right? So we're publishing the idea, man. Oh my God. Yeah, this is Intertine, whatever Leo DiCaprio was pushing in that movie about stuff about defrauding people. Intertine out of Indiana Connect. Why is Apple showing over here? All right, here we go. There it is, dude. There it is. I mean, that's solid, dude. That's crazy good looking. Whatever. The stop could be so much looser too. Yeah, you could still make it much looser. Okay, patrons, if you're out there, this is taking 10 years. Everything I do. Oh my God. There you go. Whatever. Hey, what did you say, Griddle Order? What's going on, man? It's all right. Dude, with 2 screens. All right, man. Be safe. Be safe, dude. Much love. That's it. Okay. So I got to look at another one. And then Zogo. Good. Oh, what was it? DAG, I don't know. I bet it's the same chart. It's like, didn't we just look at DAG? Oh, it's the same thing as Dent. Okay. Just so ridiculous, dude. Yeah. Do I really need to do it? It's unbelievable. It's so great request, by the way, man. You're killing it, man. These are beautiful looking assets. You know where the neckline is, right? This is it, man. Once it breaks this resistance, it's probably going to like at least 28 cents, man. I think 30+% upside in the breakout. I'm sorry, it's like 50% upside. There's no big deal, man. No big deal. Yeah, but imagine like being stupid and not caring about this market right now. I just can't even believe it. I don't even want to forgive the people that it's almost unforgivable that all this stuff's happening and people don't care right now. I mean, I know y'all do, but like, you get what I'm saying. You literally know how dead this sentiment in this market is. So stupid, dude. It's like the dumbest thing ever. It's just gonna be one of those bottoms, just another one of those effing bottoms, dude. Like September 2020 was a huge one. September of 2021 was another one. What is this thing? DAG? Like, hey, you like DAGs? That's it. That was the last request. Okay, I'm gone. But happy 420 and thanks for the likes, slow support, contribution, everything between. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Okay. So until next time, do whatever you want. Happy 420.